As we settle ourselves into a time of reflection and meditation, we're going to start first of all by focusing on this prayer box in front of me and in front of you. And it's here at the center for a reason, because it lives with us. So will you gently close your eyes and focus your attention on the prayer box. We rest in you, Spirit of life. Through this prayer box, we give you our worries, our fears, our doubts, our hopes, our joys, our pain, our anger, our love, our hate. We take all of those emotions and we allow you to take all that we are, lovingly place it within this box. As we give all that we are, we find the place of truth, stillness, the eternal place where you and I, all of us, are one. We breathe in deeply and we embrace all that we are. And as we stand with our toes at the edge of the universe, in oneness, we realize that we are all that expands until forever. So we take those prayers, our hopes, our dreams, we lovingly pray over them. Peace, be still. And that is going to lead us into a time of meditation this morning. So let us start by settling into a comfortable position. I urge you to take a few slow, deep breaths in through your nose and then out again. Inhale and exhale. Feel the rise and the fall of your belly and the gentle flow of air in and out through your nostrils. Give yourself permission to slow down and be present throughout this meditation. All of the distractions of the day are outside. They won't disturb you here. Now I want you to imagine a warm golden light hovering just above your head. This radiant light is soothing and filled with peace. Picture this light slowly descending towards you. As it touches the top of your head, feel its warmth spreading across your scalp, relaxing every muscle. Now picture it flowing down into your forehead. Feel your brow begin to soften. See it moving down into your face, relaxing your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Feel the soothing warmth melting away any tension. Picture the light now flowing down, reaching your neck and your shoulders, Feel the warmth spreading through your neck, down into your shoulders, relaxing and releasing any tension that you may still be carrying. Allow that light now to travel down your arms, flowing through your elbows, forearms, wrists, and then down into your hands and your fingers. Feel that gentle warmth relaxing every muscle. And now bringing your awareness back to the center of your body as the warm light moves down your chest, soothing your heart and your lungs. Feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Picture the light now descending down toward your stomach, into your stomach, relaxing any and all knots that you might find there, along with any remaining tension. And now that warmth spreads further down toward your lower back, your hips. Any tension stored there releases, letting go. You're feeling more and more relaxed as the light flows throughout your body. And that light flows down into your thighs, down into your knees, your calves, your ankles, relaxing every muscle in your legs. And finally, picture that light reaching your feet and your toes, filling them with a soothing, warm glow. And as you experience this wonderful sense of light and energy and life and love, imagine that this warm light begins to expand from within you, and it surrounds your entire body. You are surrounded by warmth, feeling peaceful, relaxed, and safe. You are safe in this space. Resting now in the sense of relaxation, knowing that you're supported by this warm, gentle light. And now, whenever you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back into this beautiful sanctuary, this place of peace. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, gently stretch your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes.